Did you run out of buckles for your paracord bracelets? Are your local suppliers completely out of buckles and won't be getting any for a couple of weeks? Well, in this two-part video series, I'll show you a simple technique for creating a bracelet loop and clasp without using the ordinary overhand knot. Stay tuned. 20 of them, right? 20 Ohio State bracelets. We'll have them for you tomorrow. All right, thanks again. You have a good evening. Yes! All right, we got scarlet, we got gray, buckles right in here. Buckles, buckles, buckles. Buckles, buckles, buckles. Oh my God. Oh my God. No buckles. No buckles. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I don't know about you, but I always seem to end up with more paracord than buckles. Or even worse, I'd waste time and gas driving around to local suppliers, only to come up empty-handed. I got 20 bracelets to make by tomorrow. They all need buckles. I'm out of buckles. I can't get any mail by now. Walmart doesn't have them. Hobby Lobby doesn't have them. This is a freaking emergency. What do you do in an emergency? Ooh, might as well try it. 911.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, I'm a paracordist and I've run out of buckles.
Sir, is this a joke?
No, it's not a joke. I've really run out of buckles. And I got 20 due tomorrow, and there's everywhere's completely out. I've driven around, I've called, no one has them.
Sir, 911 is for emergencies.
Okay, this is an emergency.
If you don't calm down, I'll send officers your way.
Oh, okay. Well, you know what? Make sure they have buckles because I really need them. I need about 20.
Officers are on the way, sir.
Great. Let's take a look at a simple technique you can use to make a paracord bracelet loop and clasp so you can create bracelets non-stop. Here are the 5 steps for creating your paracord bracelet loop. Take your 2 pieces of paracord, place them vertically beside each other. That's the first step. Step number 2, you're going to form a loop with the right red strand. Like this. And you're going to take it over the 2 vertical core strands. Like that. Now go ahead and flip the blue left strand over. Okay. Step number 3, you're going to form a loop with the blue strand and you're going to bring it over and around the red strand. Like this. And once you bring it over and around the red strand, you're going to bring it underneath both core strands and out of the red loop. So you should have something that looks like this. Step number 4, you're going to take the blue strand up and you're going to make a loop, and then you're going to bring it down through the blue loop on the left hand side. Let's get a little bit more cord. Like this. Okay. Then you're going to go under both strands and then under itself. Well, first go under itself. You're going to go under both strands. And then you're going to pull through the red loop. So you end up with something that looks like this. Okay. Step number 5, we're going to pull the strands tight, adjusting the size of the loop as we tighten. So we want to make a loop smaller. We're going to pull in this working cord to make it smaller. We want it about 1/2 inch. Let's keep tightening it until you get it pretty decent. And there you go. And what you would do at this point is you would actually start to braid with your 2 working cords. And of course these would be longer. This is just for demonstration purpose. There you have your loop. And you would braid all the way down. And then you would form this intricate knot that I'm going to show you how to do in the next video. This loop will fit securely around the knot we'll make in part 2 of this video series. So there you have it, a step-by-step way to create a loop for your paracord bracelets, just in case you run out of buckles. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, go ahead and click the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. Seriously, a freaking plane. Hurry up, plane. Hurry up. Loop would fit securely around the knot world.